Welcome to SmackDown Live with the man, Becky Lynch, who challenges Asuka for the SmackDown Women's Championship.
The new Daniel Bryan and the phenomenal AJ Styles will be face to face.
Rey Mysterio is out to settle the score after their astounding one-on-one match last week on SmackDown Live.
Man, it's good to be back in town. Now, it wasn't too long ago when no one was paying attention to me. Asuka. I have watched Asuka clean out NXT. Remember this, she never beat me for that title. She and all the others have been warming themselves on the fire. I've already dethroned the queen. I will walk through hell. I will do whatever it takes.
There's a lot of hype, there's a lot of buzz, but is there truly sting?
I think if Becky Lynch expected anything less than Asuka's A-game
Beating Charlotte Flair and Becky Lynch in the same night.
Asuka would love to remove any doubt
to hold on to her championship.
And we did learn this past weekend via social media that Charlotte Flair
is going to be more exciting than when I tossed 29 women over that top rope. Who, Sasha, I've beaten so many times, I've lost count. And then you've got Asuka versus Becky. I broke your undefeated streak. Hold on. Woo! I have owned this division the last 4 years. Woo!
Asuka from behind to gain some semblance of an upper hand on Becky Lynch. This was a wise attack from the champion.
Separate Asuka and Becky Lynch finally, but Becky Lynch, Asuka just obsessed with tearing each other up.
and Asuka
Again.
Asuka sent over the desk.
Lynch now just whipping Asuka with a leather jacket. The man establishing dominance tonight, and at the moment, the man is the winner of this match this coming Sunday. Becky Lynch standing tall. Bedlam backstage. Obviously, tensions have boiled over.
Finally gets in the ring with Mandy Rose.
The taunting continued. The siren had set her trap. Naomi tried to extract her. There will be an eruption of emotions when Naomi,
Waiting for this opportunity here tonight. Yeah, think about this, Naomi. She got a little bit of revenge last week, but that wasn't enough.
I mean, they went all the way to Mandy Rose's hotel room.
Finally arrives.
Feel it? It's like the roof of the arena just opened up of God's greatest creation. I don't care what she does.
And two to get after Mandy. What about
Come on.
And finally gets her opportunity
God.
tonight. Remember, these are two women who compete in the Women's Royal Rumble match this Sunday.
Naomi's picking up right where she left off inside that hotel room.
A backhand.
Naomi continues here on SmackDown Live. Very physical matchup here on SmackDown Live.
Reasonably one-sided matchup. Incredibly painful maneuver, but Mandy has fought through the pain.
All because she doesn't like...
Mandy Rose is my pick to win the entire Women's Royal Rumble this Sunday.
Kick right to the... A little taste of it here tonight. Look at Naomi. Naomi sending Mandy Rose.
Isn't as hot as it once was. I mean, maybe, you know,
Sonya Deville trying to take advantage. Send to the little eyes and puts away Naomi.
Technical cheating.
full speed ahead toward the Royal Rumble match this Sunday.
Here's Jimmy Uso, Naomi's husband. Obviously, Naomi very disappointed in this. Was standing up as much for herself. Is going to have to regroup for the Royal Rumble match this Sunday.
Outlasting 29 superstars on my way to victory. My training gave me the stamina to never slow down. But tonight is about respect. In our 2 out of 3 falls match, Selena Vega is banned. You need to earn it.
Ready? I'm ready. Let's do this.
Cesaro next.
Well, it's a snowy, cold night in Wichita for our final stop on the WWE Network.
His partner in crime, the A-lister. I said it week after week. I didn't think these two would ever be able to actually coexist.
Shane McMahon's ego.
At the same time, Miz was pretty talented in the way he...
Shane McMahon bought in. These two are a team, but can they get the job done?
Cesaro!
When Cesaro would try to interfere.
I was shocked about this. Shane McMahon coming to the aid.
And this is the retaliation tag team partners.
Needless to say, this was not a match, but
Tag team cohesion. Like a toast to cake.
be devil's advocate, but reality is reality, Corey. Look, reality is Sheamus of the Miz and Shane McMahon have to deal with.
Byron, as much as it pains me to agree with you, you're absolutely right. Sheamus and champions are the bar.
Again, I think it's more than a proven commodity. It's Shane McMahon.
Look at this.
Cake. Oh, and the backbreaker. Now Cesaro, the cover.
Team of Shane McMahon and the Miz didn't take it seriously, but I think, and that could spell bad news for the challengers.
Sheamus and Cesaro were humiliated. They were embarrassed.
Can Miz get Cesaro to tap out before the Royal Rumble event? Pulls Cesaro out of harm's way. Miz through the ropes and takes a shot at Sheamus.
But the Miz...
At the Royal Rumble event streaming live on the WWE Network.
Six did not get nominated for an Oscar.
Maybe they can do it.
But again, they're against the bar.
And Shane McMahon is gay.
Oh, what a... And Shane helped out his partner.
Miz is back.
Fighting him off. Oh. See it? Cesaro. And the bar gets some retaliation. Oh, my God. Sheamus.
Punches it. Cesaro's in trouble right now.
McMahon could care less about this Sunday right now.
I'll try not to take offense to the fact if Shane crashes and burns, he's not going to make it to the Royal Rumble.
Cesaro in his sights. Oh, no. And Sheamus wipes out Miz on the opposite side. Now it's a 2-on-1 attack.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Well, now,
Kick. Firing on all cylinders there.
Miz is trying to protect his partner.
Are here to do just that.
Oh, no, look at this now. If there was any doubt that the bar isn't taking Shane McMahon and The Miz seriously.
Are looking to do right now.
Oh, no.
Oh, my God. Into the table.
Man just driven right through the Miz.
Is what awaits you.
Swung in the favor of the reigning SmackDown Tag Team Champions. The unlikely friendship turned tag team partnership of The Miz and Shane. We're heading towards the Royal Rumble, and everybody is preparing in their own way.
Samoa Joe from behind.
While I was out here, I learned a very valuable lesson. See, last week, Samoa Joe decided to jump me from behind. Off the ring post, they made me understand, nah, man, it was your eyes. Your eyes told me that I was just a message to everybody else in the Royal Rumble. Do you understand what you see when you look into my eyes? Do you understand when you look into my eyes, you do not see a lie when I say...
By the SmackDown Tag Team Champions, the bar.
Let's take another look at this vicious bro kick right on the side of the face of Shane McMahon.
And his challenger for the Royal Rumble event next. We are back here on SmackDown Live. Mr. McMahon is here.
Mr. McMahon!
This Sunday at the Royal Rumble event, the champion, the new Daniel Bryan, and the challenger.
I'll reserve comment for what just happened to my son Shane and his tag team partner, The Miz. Now, they're going to go face to face. He is the phenomenal AJ Styles.
Animalistic side from AJ Styles, a much more aggressive, phenomenal one.
Essentially, by the chairman, was given carte blanche to embrace that
For AJ Styles, we know how badly he wants to reclaim the WWE Championship.
To fight fire with fire, AJ Styles has found the fire within himself.
The new Daniel Bryan.
Well, we know the new Daniel Bryan has undergone a
Now the new Daniel Bryan intends on being WWE Champion.
And Graves, as we've seen over the last few months, this new Daniel Bryan.
I refuse to step into the ring with a sociopath. I'm too embarrassed to step foot in the ring with you right now. I had a vision for the future. Do you know what that future looks like? That's an illiterate future. I use my power for the greater good.
Is the greater good you come out here and talking like a jackass?
You make them cheer. You get them to jump up out of their seats. You don't make them feel bad about themselves. Daniel Bryan is the planet's champion, using his platform to be the planet's voice.
I mean, I don't remember you pedaling your little bicycle to the arena tonight, and you say you're embarrassed.
You're fickle, I am not fickle!
You're embarrassed to step in the ring with me tonight. That's not it. From many opponents, and I have seen that look in their eyes. You're afraid of what's gonna happen in 5 days at the Royal Rumble. You've corrupted your morals for that one thing. Now take that one thing away from you.
The great Carl Sagan once said,
Hey, look, I'm tired of this. Get in the ring.
baby boomer generation are the great parasites of this world. They bow to you for it! And they've become satisfied with trading Instagram likes, hoarding all the power, and they ignore it because they're distracted. And impotence is the perfect...
Damn it, I'm not gonna tell you yet. Get in the ring. Oh, hold on a second, Vince. It doesn't necessarily have to happen in this ring.
Bryan thought he had a safe barrier from Styles. Gets again.
And Bryan to the Royal Rumble event. Oh, man. Stairs.
Looking for it. Here it comes.
Phenomenal forearm on it. Oh, the knee.
It might have been disgraceful, but it was certainly resourceful.
Unreal.
His challenger.
That's your WWE champion.
For the WWE Championship. It all happens this Sunday. The Royal Rumble event and the Elimination Chamber pay-per-view free.